Welcome viewers to Beyond Cooking. Today we'll be doing a mixed greens chapati with a tomato chutney. For the mixed greens chapati, we will need 2 cups of mixed greens. We haven't taken mint and pudina and methi because they have strong flavors. These are dried and finely chopped, and I have also taken onions. I've also mixed onions in this, which are chopped small or finely. To this we'll be adding half a teaspoon of green chili paste, some salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil, and I've taken half a cup of atta, and we will just mix them up. And set it aside for 5 to 10 minutes so that the greens releases whatever water it has due to the salt. Now that it's rested for 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to add a little water just to bring the whole thing together. Now that we've mixed the batter, we're going to start flattening it like a chapati by hand. For this, we'll take some oil to grease obat paper. Or any laminated sheet. This would be the ideal consistency that we're looking out for. Something that would help us get it thin. You could also use another sheet of any laminated paper on top if you would want to make it easier. Get it as thin as possible. So let's roast the chapati now. For this we will heat a flat pan with some oil. Turn over the paper. Now that it's transferred, let it cook on each side for about 1.5 minutes. Don't turn it too early as it might tear the chapati. Once it turns a little dark green, flip it over. It takes a little longer to cook as the greens are raw. Now that we've got the slight brown coloration, we know that it's done. And we can remove it off the pan. It should be the same on both the sides. Turn off the pan and remove the chapati. Now we'll be doing the tomato chutney. For this we would need equal quantities of onion and tomato. I have taken about 1.5 cups of tomatoes and onion, a couple of cloves of garlic, a piece of tamarind, a handful of coriander, 6 to 8 red chilies depending on your spice levels, some salt to taste, and these are just this is the tadka, which has curry leaves and mustard and jeera and some oil. What we would start off by doing adding some oil to the pan. We could do this on medium to high flame. So we will start off by adding the garlic cloves and the tamarind. Then we'll add the onions. Then the tomatoes. You could do this again on medium to high flame. And the chilies. So we heat this till the tomato skin has wrinkled up. Turn it off and finally add the cup of coriander and salt. Once this cools down, we blend it without water. So now I have ground this without any water. This liquid is just the water out of the tomatoes. I'm finishing it off with the tadka that's already been done. And here is our final product. Thank you.